video na eh. Ngita sa tagdol-dool nga plaster lang kayo para layo-layo. Hangin ka ay masarap.
So, hi guys, we are here. Where are we?
We are here at Seven Magic Mountain in Las Vegas, Nevada nga napuno ang bubok sa ako ang kag nakaakubok guys kay birthday. So super windy here, you know, it blows dry my hair. Oh my god.
This is one of the famous attractions here in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's called the Seven Magic Mountain. So those are real rocks right there. So
That's not real.
it's real.
Oh, it's real.
That's real rocks. So you know there are three kinds of rocks: the igneous rock, metamorphic rocks, and lastly the sedimentary rocks. I don't know why they call it Magic Mountain. Why do they call it Magic Mountain? Seven Magic Mountain.
I painted them.
So there must be a history behind it. Why it's called what you call it? Seven Magic Mountain, guys.
Don't look at my hair. Just look at the Seven Magic Mountains. I don't know why it's seven. It's eight. It's eight behind.
It's more than seven.
Oh, it's seven. It's seven. Oh, yata.
Seven siya nga naka-align. But
Oh,
to count
man.
them all, it's more than seven. But let's find out, guys. We're gonna interview some folks here. Why they call it Seven Magic Mountain? So
Right now I'm feeling homeless.
So how far are we from the Las Vegas strip up here? It took.
It's about 30 minutes drive to go.
So how many miles?
The 30 minutes drive is like
Miles.
17 minutes drive, I think, or 14. I'm not sure. I'm not good at that. I do traffic all the time.
Let's find some folks, guys. I'm gonna interrogate some questions. And what is the legend about this Seven Magic Mountain here in Las Vegas, Nevada? So back to you, Nina. Back to the station.
Back to me, I don't give a fuck.
So we're on our way to our cars. Sweet to have.
Back to me, guys are enjoying right now. So I'm so happy my cousin is here. Finally, we haven't seen each other for almost 2 years.
Right?
So I was supposed to go to Pasadena, but I canceled. So
Yeah, we're supposed
I asked her to come here and.
No, first our
check it
plan
out.
is you have to come with me to visit me in California.
Yes.
And Los Angeles, California.
Yes.
Since that's my lawful permanent resident right there. Here we go. We're live here at Seven Magic Mountain. So back to you, Nina. How's the station up there? What's the weather update?
What's the weather update? It's gonna be sandstorm right now, and my hair is blow dried. And
So
I need to pee as well.
yeah, so that's it, guys, and I'll give you an update. And thank you for watching. Bye. May bidyuhi ko may maglakaw.
Payuta. Ana, ganahan ko ana. Mag-ingon ana ra ka, mag-video. Yes. What's up? Ikaw na may makita, good. Oo. Ayaw, na ayaw. Okay, go. Uy, wanna start, go. Ikat lang. Yeah.
Nice. Kapoy na po.
Yun na. Kasi ka din ha. Si Maring, si Maring.
So hey folks, this is the history about the 7 magic mountain. So you can read it all here. It says it all, and I don't need to explain further. So there you go. If you know how to read, read it.
Read it, guys. Read it. 3. Animal.